Today I'm going to be cleaning up the car using Meguiars Ultimate Waterless Wash. All you're going to need is some clean microfiber towels and the waterless wash.
Get the cops outside, lock up the house, we get the team on high, some gold in their mouth.
So the car isn't too dirty at the moment, but it's dirty enough that you can see some rain spots and some dirt and dust starting to build up. It definitely looks a lot better through the camera, but you can definitely tell it's a little bit dirty. You don't want to be using this wash if the car is super dirty. You only want to use this if it's in between your regular washes. So all you gotta do is spray this shit all over the car and then just wipe it from side to side. Make sure you don't do it in circles because then you'll fuck up your paint and you don't want to be doing all that. I started at the windows, but you can start wherever you want, doesn't matter. You can also do this inside or outside, but I'm broke as fuck. I don't have a garage, so I did it outside. If you do it outside though, make sure you do it in sections so that it doesn't dry up on you before you wipe it off. I almost forgot to mention, if you're trying to get the best results, make sure after you do the first initial wipe, you go back to it with the dry side of the towel, or you grab a whole new dry towel and you buff it completely dry. The waterless wash comes with a type of wax in it, so once you do the second dry towel, it helps bring in the gloss a little bit. Sheesh, that thing looked nice, boy. I didn't show it on this one, but make sure you shine your tires and then you're good to go. Pick up some bad little babies. I'm out. See you in the next one.